Hey, English learners! Today we're diving into a juicy idiom, apple-to-apple comparison. Ever heard someone say, let's make an apple-to-apple comparison? Well, they're not asking for fruit. It means comparing things that are truly similar. You wouldn't compare an apple to an orange, right? That's totally unfair.
It's like comparing apples to oranges.
You're comparing apples to oranges.
Apples and oranges here, Sheldon.
Imagine you're comparing phones. One's a flip phone from 2001, and the other's the latest smartphone. Now, that's comparing apples to oranges. Totally different things. But if you compare two smartphones from the same year, that's an apple-to-apple comparison, fair and balanced. This idiom is all about keeping things fair when you're comparing. Like, you wouldn't compare your English skills to a native speaker's, right? Keep it apple to apple. So next time you're in a conversation and you want to make a fair comparison, remember, keep it apples to apples. See you in the next video for more fun with idioms.